Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday morning market webcast. So the overly anticipated event of Powell's Zoom call at 10 o'clock is upon us. I think we need to get by it, see what it is, mostly see what it's not, and then, that and all the other Fed speak. It jingled the tape a little bit. A little bit of a push down yesterday. They didn't take out the 9-day. They haven't been anywhere near weekly pivot. So you see the 9-day, you see the 20-day. Yesterday was a solid day. So look, Monday was a good day. Lots of nice vol. Tuesday was really the only day where you looked at it and you're just like, how, as far as what we do, as far as like just trading the minis, it's like, what the hell are we going to do with this? And the answer was nothing. Then you had Wednesday and Thursday, which were days where you had to not overtrade and you had to be opportunistic and take advantage of what was presented to you. And if you did that, Wednesday, Thursday took care of themselves. Yesterday was much more tradable than Wednesday. Wednesday was really a one-trade day. Bought the open and just, left it. Actually, you didn't buy the, you bought the open, got chopped up, waited for it to come out of the no-trade zone, and then up to 98. I wish Wednesday had been that easy. Yesterday was a little bit of the same deal. Choppy open. Come down, they take it back up, and we went over all that in the evening webcast. So let's move on to today. They bounced it pretty good from 62. They took it back into the low 80s. It's settled now, right around 79. You got the hourly mid-band there, 74.68. Volume weighted average price, 75.30. 76.42 is your daily pivot. And our proprietary moving average is 78, basically 78.75. So 74 to 78 is an area that has been getting fought over. You can stretch that all the way up to 82. So it's really been a 6 to 8 handle box the thing has been in most of the morning. So a couple things. So let's see how it opens. Let's understand that when we hit 10 o'clock, when the lid comes off his remarks, my understanding is there's no Q&A, well, then we'll see what this thing wants to do. The other thing I mentioned last night that I'll reiterate today in case you haven't watched it is once this is over, what we are left with is the last summer Friday in August. So if, it's a gold-plated invitation for things to slow down and for everybody to just, see on Monday. If that happens, please don't make the market more exciting than it wants to be. Go do something else. Do not hyper trade the market when nobody else is trading the market. That is not a good why, as far as why are you trading. 5-minute chart. It's real fast. You can see some of the numbers I was talking about there. Let me zoom this out. So they took it down nicely. And then, it doesn't take much to spook the bears. I mean, it's boom. And, you're up, 15 handles in a blink. And the whole thing has been, and they tried it yesterday. They did it yesterday. But instead of reacting the way the bears reacted yesterday, and then here and here, the bears flattened it out. And then Europe, took it up and established the hourly midband as supporting it. They retested it here again. About 7:45. So the hourly mid-band staying below price is going to be important. VWAP, which is your yellow line here, lining up with it is going to be key as well. So my thought heading into the day as far as what we're doing in the room, the combination of VWAP and the hourly mid-band, that's pretty much going to be our bull-bear line. But if it can't get over the top of the proprietary moving average, then we're stuck in what I call no man's land. And if that's the case and it's before 10 o'clock, then I slap the no trade zone on it and be like 74 to 78, 79, and we wait for Powell and we see what happens or what doesn't happen. That's where we're at. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be out with a midday update. We'll see what happened. And if I don't talk to you then, have a fantastic weekend. There'll be no evening webcast tonight. We'll do that Sunday night heading into Monday. Take care. Trade them well. Check us out on social. Come join the private Facebook group. And if you're interested in us teaching you how to do this stuff, come join the room. We would love to meet you. Love to have you. Come grab a trial and see if it's right for you. Take care. Trade them well. I'll catch up with you guys about 1:30.